A sole proprietorship is business that is owning and sleep after by one person. Sole proprietorship is the oldest and simple form of business ownership, and it's the easiest to start. In most instances, the owner, the sole proprietor, is simple. The hierarchy is in business and Bikini operation. Some of the largest of today's companies include from Motor Company, H.G. Hennis Company, and J. Penny Company. Standard standard out is tiny sole proprietorship. They are they are more the 12 million sole proprietorship in the United States. They account for more than 2/3 of the country business from sole proprietorship are small, common in the retailing, agriculture, and service industry. Those in special clothing shop, grocer, and television repair shop down the store are likely to be sole proprietorship. Most of the outfitting and designing the of sole proprietorship arises from the two main characteristics of this form of ownership: simplicity and individual control. Advantages of sole proprietorship is and law cons of formality and diesel no contract agreements of the legal document are regulated to start a sole proprietorship. Most are established with both even an attorney. A state or city license may be required from certain type of business, such as agriculture or catering service, that are regulated in the interest of public safety. But beyond beyond that, a sole proprietor does not pay any special startup fees or tax, nor are there any minimal capital requirement. If the enterprise does not cause of or the owner decides to enter another line of business, the firm can be closed as easily as it was openly. Creditors must be paid, of course, but the owner does not have to go through any legal procedure before hanging up and out business. Saying rating of all profits earned by sole proprietors become the person earning of this owner. They refurbish the owner with a strong incentive to succeed, provides the strong incentive and a great deal of satisfaction when the business does succeed. It is the dread mechanical rival and attract mind interpretation to the sole proprietorship from of business. Flexible, the sole owner of business is completely free to make decisions about the firm's operation without asking or waiting for a new approval. A sole proprietor can switch from renting to wholesaling, mount a shop location, or open a new store and close another one. A sole owner can also respond to change in market conditions may more quickly. The day operator of the from a business. Sophie, the sole owner of a pleasant store with that many customers now prefer to shop on Sunday after most. Her shop can make I immediately can in business how to take advantage of the information profit that stay lost allow such store to open on Sunday. The manager of one store in large corporate chain might have to seek the approval of another manager before making such a change. Furthermore, I sole proprietors can quickly switch suppliers to take advantage of all of our sake I will call take week in more complete business. Possible take and fact the sole proprietorship profit I take as personal personal thus income of the owner. Thus I shall proceed does not pay the special state and federal income tax the corporates pay as you will select the result of the special tax is that a cooperative profit are taxed with a sole proprietorship profit are tax only one. Also reckon things in federal tax laws have resulted in higher tax rates for corporations than for individual at correcting income levels. Secure sole proprietors are not required by federal or state government to publicly reveal the business plan probate of the vital facts. Therefore, companies cannot get their hand on this information. Of course, sole corporations cannot get industry information of sole proprietorship. Most report contain financial information on their personal tax form, but the information is kept straight by taxing authorities. This type of sole proprietorship only liability is legal concept the holds a sole proprietor's personal responsible for others' debt of her business. This means there is not legal defense but when the double of the business and the debt of the proprietors if the business fail. The owner person party including house, saving and later asset can be set and sold in nature to pay credition. Unlimited liability is those the owner side of the other keeps the profit coin. It is perhaps major factor that stand out to that to discovery will be entrepreneur from using this for of business organization. Law of contrary, legally, the sole proprietor is this business. If the owner this or is declared legally incompetent, the business is not legal. Cases to accuse in many cases of her, the owner here take over this business and continue to operating in it, especially if it is a profitable enterprise, limited ability to borrow big